Hello and hi to the YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is the students in 3 classes are in the ratio 2:3:5. If 40 students are increased in each class, the ratio changes to 4:5:7. Originally the total number of students was, so here we have to find out the strength of the total students after the increase of 40 students in each class. So let's begin with our question. So the first thing which we have to do, we take that let the number of students in each class be, that is 2x, 3x and 5x. So we have just taken the student in each class in the ratio that is 2x, 3x and 5x, and we have just taken x. Now if you see that in the first class, so this is the first class, so this means that this is 2x, and in the first class how much number of student is increased, that is 40. So we increase 40 student in first class, so this is ratio, and in the second class, so this is 3x, so 3x, and here as well we increase 40 students ratio, and the third class, so this is 5x, and we increase 40 student in the third class. And after the increase of 40 student in each class, the new ratio we get that will be, that is 4:5:7. So this is the new ratio after the increase of 40 students in each class. Now, so these are 3 classes and we are having 3 ratios, but to find out the value of x, we suppose and we take only 2 ratios. So here for the first class, the ratio, the new ratio, that is 4, and for the second class the new ratio is 5. So what will we do? We do that we take only the ratios of 2 classes, and for this we do that is, so this is the ratio for first class divide, and this is the second class. We have just taken only 2 classes just to find out the value of x, and here this is equal to only the ratios, the new ratio we take, that is only of 2 classes, and that is 4:5. And after this process it will be easy for us to find the value of x. Now cross multiplication, so we cross multiply these things, so this becomes, that is 5x, so this goes upward and it multiplies with the above portion, so this becomes, that is 2x plus 40 is equal to, and this is 4, and this portion goes upward and multiplies by 4, so 3x plus 40. After multiplying 5 by 2, we get the answer, that is 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10x plus, and 5 multiplied by 40, that is 200 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12x plus, and 4 by 40, that is 160. And now this is 200, so 200 and this 160 goes this side, becomes minus 160 is equal to, so this is 12x, and this is 10x, going this side becomes minus 10x, and we get the values here, that is 40 is equal to 2x, And now the value of x we get, that is 40 divided by 2. So 2 ones are and 2 20s are. So the value of x we have got, that is x is equal to 20. And now we will be able to find out the strength of the classes. So we have to find the original number of strength before the increase of 40 students. So that will be, so here we have just found the ratios and we have just taken the number of students in each class. So that was 2x, 3x and 5x. So therefore the total number of student so they are in the ratio, that is 2x plus 3x plus 5x. So these are the ratios before the increase of 40 students. So this becomes, that is 10x. And now we are having the value for x, that is 20. So the total number of student we get, that is 10 multiplied by, and the value of x, that is 20. So 10 multiplied by 20, and here we get the total strength, that is 200 students. And this is the total strength of the class, and this is our answer as well. So thank you very much.